Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and it is a food dehydrator. This is the instruction manual that'll tell you how to use it. And it also comes with a recipe book. Today I'm going to be making some peppered jerky. So I already have this prepped, and I made the pepper jerky. All it is 2 pounds of top round beef, a half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. So super easy. I let it marinate over 24 hours. And now we are going to preheat this and then see how it works. So it does have these like little handles right here. And when you are storing it, you can place this right here, which makes it nice. You can see it makes it really nice so that the cord's not going to be in your way. So right here it says you want to dry at 165 for 6 hours or until done. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And so you can see it has all these different options. I'm going to do beef. And it says 165, so let's go 6 hours. And then let's go for the meat, 165. And then we are going to press. So you can see when you press this, it starts it. So let me go ahead and fill this up with jerky. So I went ahead and paused it as I was filling it, and then I restarted it. So you can see 165 for 6 hours. It is going, and I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 shelves. So after 6 hours, I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. I also wanted to show you, it does have a light as well. Like if it's dark and you really want to check on them, it does have that feature. And then right here, you can actually have the power button. You can pause it. You can set your timer up and down, and then that's for the temperature up and down. But when you choose, like that's beef, it automatically goes to 160. But since this said, since the recipe said 165, I went ahead and went with what the recipe said. I think I'm gonna make some strawberries too, see if I can't do that, but I'm just gonna start out with this for now. So this is how the jerky came out. I've actually been eating it. It is delicious. You can see nice and dry. And then this is how the strawberries turned out. The kids love them. So definitely worked really well and super easy to clean up and everything. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.